Hello students, I am Ms. Vibha from Maa Kalyanika Public School, Pendra Road, Chhattisgarh. In this video, I am going to teach you class 3rd Maths, chapter number 2, part 4 because this is the 4th video and exercise number 2.4. Students, in this exercise 2.4, the question is solve the story sums. Story sums means word problem is there. In this type of question, you don't have to write the calculation directly, you have to write the statements also along with the calculation. So let's start how to do it. See students, so there are 1572 students in the primary wing of a school and 849 students in the middle wing. Means 1572 students are there in primary classes and 849 students in middle classes. So the question is, how many students are there in the school? So total how many students are there? So simply you consider your school and assume this number as it is present in your school. So if 1572 students are there in primary classes and 849 students are present in middle classes, so total how many students are there? Of course this much is present in primary, this much is present in middle, so simply we have to merge them, we have to add them and we will get the total number of students. So students, see here we will start with the statement. There are 1572 students, means students in primary wing. Directly we will write students in primary wing. So smaller I have to write so that it will come in this position, so that it can be accommodated in this line. So students in primary wing. Students in primary wing, how many are there? 1572. Okay. Now students in secondary wing, or secondary, it is the term used here is middle wing. So we can write middle wing, not secondary. Middle wing. Middle wing. So students in the middle classes, how many students are there? 849. So here we can write 849 with proper period and places. So simply by addition, as we are knowing what you have to do, total student is asked. How many students are there in the school? So therefore total students is equal to how much? So 9 plus 2, 11, 1, carry 1 here, 9 plus 2, 11, 1, 1, 11. Now 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12. So 1, carry and 2 here, 12. Now 5 plus 1 is 6. So 8 plus 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 1, 14. 1, 4. Now 1 and 1, 1 plus 1 is 2 students. Okay. So 2421 students are there in all. So students, I hope you have understood what is given, that in this type of question, in the word problem, first of all you should understand what is given. One thing, two things, three things are given. Whatsoever is given you have to write down first. Then at last questions are there, what to find. So that you have to read in this question and according to that you have to solve. So simply here I have explained you that in primary wing how many students are given, that is written. Then in middle wing how many students are there, that is written. Then the question was only two things are given, primary wing students and middle wing students. Then the third thing was question of the question was how many total students are there adding the primary and middle. So simply we have added this both number by writing their statements and we have received the answer 2421. So students, 2421 students are present in all. Okay. So now first question is solved for you. Now I am moving directly to question number 7. Rest of the question is nearly equal to this only. So according to question number 1 and 7 you can solve the rest of the question. So simply students come to question number 7. On Saturday 1475 men, how many men? 1475. 309 women, how many women? 309. 309 women are there and 2787 children. How many children? 2787 children visited the Science Museum. When they visited the Science Museum? On Saturday. On Saturday, question is on Saturday 1475 men, 309 women, then 2787 children visited the Science Museum. So these three terms are there, men, women and children. Their numbers are given, how many of them have visited the Science Museum. Now, how many people visited the museum in all? So I had told you in all. In all means you have to find the total. How many total people visited the Science Museum? Okay students. So we will start from the beginning. How many men are there? How many women are there? And how many children are there who visited the Science Museum? So simply, so directly also we can write like this. Men. Number of men is 1475. Then women. I am writing women. Or you can write the complete statements, number of men, number of women, like this. So I am writing once again, number of men. How many number of men is given? 1475. Then number of women. Number of women. How many number of women? 309. Then it is given children. So number of children. Okay, number of children. How many children are there? 2789. So this much children are there. So the question is, therefore, how many people visited the Science Museum in all? So therefore, total number of people who visited the Science Museum is equal to. So here we can write. Okay. If space is there, you can write a single line also or two lines also. Okay. So see, number of men is 1475. Number of women is 309. Number of children 2787 is given. Sorry, this is 87 from here. See. Okay, 2787. So simply total number of people who visited the Science Museum means total number. So simply we have to add this. Okay. So how to add? See here. 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 we got. 16 plus 5. 16. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 2, 1. Clear to you? See students, 9 but we can give to it. So this will become 10, 10 plus 6, 16, 16 plus 5, 21. Okay. Now 8, 8 plus 2, simply see here, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 7, 17. 17 plus 0, 17. 1, 7. Why? Because 8 and 2, 10 is there and 7 and 0 is there. 0 is nothing. So 10 plus 7, 17. 1, 7, 17. Now 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 1, 5, 15. So now 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So 4,571 people visited the Science Museum in all. So students, simply in this way you can solve question number 7. So rest of the questions are also in the same way, students, that you have to read the question, what is given, what you have to do, and you know this chapter number 2 is your addition. So simply in this all the exercises addition is there. Okay, so in this way you can solve exercise 2.1.